Hello, thank you for wanting to find out more information about uncontested divorces. Before we get started, just want to tell you that my name is Attorney Anthony Spratly. I am the owner and founder of Genus Law Group here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where we practice law throughout the state of New Mexico, and we do it with integrity. Now, I don't know how many times we've had people come into our office and say, hey, we want an uncontested divorce. We agree on everything. We're ready to go. We just need someone to prepare the paperwork. We can do that for you, right? We can draft the paperwork for you. We can put pen to paper. If you are in full agreement, that means 100% agreement on every single issue. And so sometimes what happens is someone will come in and meet with us during a case strategy session, and they'll tell me exactly that. Yep, we agree on everything, but we have kids, and I want 50-50 and the other parent doesn't. I'm like, well, okay, so maybe you're on agreement with regards to division of property and debt, but what about your children? And this has to be worked out as part of the divorce. The court's going to require it whenever children are involved in your case. And so oftentimes what you find is when folks are seeking an uncontested divorce, their only limitation with that is when children are involved. And when children are involved, usually that complicates the process of an uncontested divorce. Now, does that mean people don't come to us and they're in 100% agreement with regards to the property, the debts, what the form of custody is going to be, how much child support is going to be paid? Absolutely, people do. It's rare, but they do. And oftentimes I tell folks is, hey, if this is an uncontested divorce and you have children involved, usually it's not going to be uncontested. I know that when you go speak with an attorney to help you draft up the paperwork, or when you're doing a case strategy session, you're telling them, hey, we just want this process to be as amicable as possible. And it can be, right? Just because you file for divorce doesn't mean that you can not be amicable towards each other to reach some sort of resolution without getting the judge involved. And so what you want is to ensure that if you want to stay out of court, you find an attorney that can help you and the other party reach a reasonable resolution in your case. But it's unusual when people come to see us, especially if there's children or if there are a lot of assets, or better yet, if they're in a long-term marriage and they've acquired stuff during that marriage. It's unusual that that usually is an uncontested divorce, and then it becomes contested usually, and we can talk about that at another time. All right, folks, so we can help you with your uncontested divorce. Like I said, you have to be on 100% agreement on everything. That includes division of property, debt, if there's children, form of custody, child support, the whole thing. If you're in 100% agreement on those issues before you come see an attorney, or like just draft the paperwork, we can help you with that to make sure that it's done correctly. All right, folks, that's all I have for this video today. If you have anyone that may be interested in learning about uncontested divorces, please share this with them. If you're in a place that you can like or subscribe to this video, especially so that when we drop our new videos that you can get updates on that as well. Please go to our website if you want new relevant content related to topics such as this at www.genuslawgrp.com. And you can also check out our podcast for more content at Protect Your Success. All right, folks, that's all I have for now. Until next time, have a great day.